What is up guys, this is Shady Tech and today I have a Samsung Note 20 Ultra in front of me here, and this particular model that I got here is bronze in color, or it is called Mystic Bronze, and this particular set is, you can see it here, Southeast Asia SIM card only. So let's just open it up. Alright, this is the first time opening up the box, and you're straight away presented with the phone itself. As you can see, there's a tab here, you can pull it up, and it's majestically bronze color. Gonna put it aside here first, and let's see what else we got in the box. This is the IMEI and bunch of other accessory things here. Let's put it aside. And a single piece of Samsung label here. So this one comes with 25-watt chargers. Super fast charging is a 3-pin travel type of charger. And then you got the USB cable, USB-C cable. And the AKG branding wireless headphone, and it's also and the port is USB-C. Take a closer look at the AKG branding there. It's an in-ear type of design, and then you got a couple of different kind of earbuds here to fit your ear. And surprisingly, it doesn't have any casing on this. And what is this? That is kind of interesting. There's nothing here at all. And this is the repair box for, yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. I'm surprised that they don't include any case at all. So anyway, gonna take a quick look at the phone itself now. So from the right, of course, you have the power button and the volume up and down. On the bottom, you have the speaker grill and the microphone, and of course the S Pen on the left side here. You press it in and you pull it out as so. Pretty cool. And on the left side, got nothing at all. On the top, got another speaker grill here. I don't think they even give the SIM card pin to put this on. I don't see it anywhere on the box here. Well. And on the back, got the huge camera hump, but it's not that bad actually. Looks pretty decent in my opinion. And the Samsung branding here. So let's just put it up first. Check out some information to get started. Do I have to press everything? Optional. Probably not. I have written, okay. Well, it says optional, but when I click this, anyway. Okay, so yeah, you have it on this glorious front screen here. Everything's updating. Let's see. I just want to quickly check on the phone number. Okay, everything looks good. Software update. Is there any update on the first boot up of this phone? Wow, there is. That's interesting. So right out of the box, there's a new update. It's downloaded now. I'll probably just download it now and show you guys. So you can see here overall stability of function, so it can be a little bit more. But fix. So it's just security patch level, August 1st of August 2020, and there's a bunch of update in it. So I'll just let it update now, and let's check out other things. Here you got display on light or dark. For now I'll just put it on light. Brighter, so you can go all the way really bright. And from this point onward you got the red showing that it's too bright, but who cares? Let's just put at 50% and turn it off for now. Vivid. So this is on a full HD plus. Apply. High resolution, high refresh rate. Of course you cannot put it on here. But anyway, I'll just put it here because I want to see the 120. Adaptive refresh rate. Advanced feature, as you can see that there's a S Pen and Air action available. The pen itself is at 50% as of now, and it's even charging here. Okay, so all you got the options here: back, home, reasons, smart select, screen write. You got a bunch of options here. We'll take a look in different videos. As of now, this is what you get. Right, let's just check out the camera real quick. So this is the camera. The camera looks right out of the box. Bunch of options up there, and also more. We'll go more. There's the Pro Panorama, Food Mode, Night, Live Focus, Pro Video, Slow Motion. For super slow motion, I would say, and there's a bunch of 50 times zoom. Oh, very cool, very cool. Camera option, you got a rear video camera size of 30, 8K all the way to 8K at 24 FPS. As of the default mode is at 16:9 with resolution. So the software is done, so I'll probably just install it right away. You know what guys, just now I checked on the box again, and it's interesting that there's actually another hidden box on the top of the phone which I totally missed out. It's on this part of the box. So I'm just gonna, so there you have it, the SIM card pin here, and please do have a nope, they don't. They still don't have any casing. Well, that's a bummer. Just got a bunch of quick startup guides in different kind of language and warranty card and some Samsung Pay. And that's pretty much it. Oh my gosh, they don't even have a silicone case, which is kind of interesting because I saw there's some region they do have the casing in this. Obviously this kind of box, weight to it is for the case, but Malaysia packaging, Samsung didn't include any case, but it is what it is. Okay, so the phone boot up again with all the things that it has to update just now, and the battery dropped to 34%. It was at 50% I believe before the update, so it dropped by 16% just by doing that. Yikes, not too good. But of course this is at 120 refresh rate, so kills the battery a little bit too fast in my opinion. So anyway, let's see if there's any more update now, which I believe there shouldn't be. Your software is up to date, that's good. So quickly we're gonna take a look at the S Pen itself before I end this video. So yeah, we'll present with the Air Action right away. Try it out. Why not? Press this. Yeah. Great job. Well done. Pressing, doing something like that. Oh, great job. Well done. It's great. So there's the S Pen interface on the right side. You can see that, and it shows you the add actions. Again, quickly write down the notes here. With my very awful handwriting, but this time the S Pen has a little bit of sound to it, like writing on the paper kind of sound. I don't know if you can pick it up. Yeah, there's a sound of it. It's a little bit too overwhelming, I would say, the sound, but it gives you a sense of actually writing on the paper. Yeah, that's it. That's the S Pen, and it's also in bronze color, as you can see here. Looks really nice in my opinion, and there's not a lot of weight to it. Clicking, even the clicking sound is very addictive, I would say. Put it back in. Click it back. So yeah, I guess there you have it. A quick unboxing and a quick look at the Samsung Note 20 Ultra editions. I'll do more testing on this, the gaming and the battery stuff and more. And stay tuned for the next video. This is Shady Tech. See you guys again soon. Bye.